Hey, did you know Earth is about to spin faster over the next few months? No, it's not about to fling us into space, but our days are actually going to get a tiny bit shorter, literally. Here's what's wild. On July 9th, July 22nd, and August 5th, 2025, Earth will be spinning so fast that each day will be up to 1.5 milliseconds shorter than the standard 24 hours. Don't worry, you won't feel it and your morning coffee won't get any shorter. But if you geek out about time, this is huge. So what's causing this sudden acceleration? The main culprit is the moon. On those dates, the moon will be at its furthest point from Earth's equator, tweaking its gravitational pull and giving our planet a little cosmic nudge. Think of it as the ultimate dance partner, spinning us just a bit faster. But wait, there's more. Earth's rotation isn't set in stone. It speeds up and slows down thanks to a bunch of things. Media group, spinning globe with overlays, time-lapse of night turning to day, montage of natural phenomena at its distribute equally, the movement of molten iron in the core, shifting glaciers, even big earthquakes, like the one in Japan in 2011 that shortened our day by nearly 2 microseconds. Even climate change plays a role, slowly making days longer as ice and groundwater move around. Here's the kicker. Scientists don't fully understand why Earth's been spinning up since 2020. If this trend keeps up, we might actually have to subtract a leap second from our clocks in 2029. A world first, since we've only ever added them before. Now, before you set your watch, remember, these changes are too small to notice in daily life, but they're a reminder that our planet's always changing, even in ways we can't see. Stay curious.